Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. This is video 2 of my Arizona vlog. We are officially in Sedona for the next few days, so this will be all Sedona things that we do. To the Airbnb. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. They have washer and dryer, little stuff in here, working desk, kitchen, say hey. Hey. Full kitchen basically, right? Yeah. Fridge, living room. It's a lot of light during the day, which is nice, and a lot of windows. Faces some mountain, some pizza shop. Very spacious for 2 people. And then there's this patio. You can walk out. It's got a little seat, some views of the rocks, little parking lot. And then that's our room. I didn't realize our room had a view as well. TV here. This is nice. Oh, I didn't even look in the bathroom yet. Bedroom with the view as well. And then a big closet for stuff. Bathroom, nice. Chunk on the bed. To Cathedral Rock this morning. We had to park in like a little further parking lot than the main one because it was full. We just walked another like 0.9 miles and we did that hike. It was so much fun. It was a lot different than I thought. It was like an uphill kind of almost like rock climbing thing, but it was really fun. It wasn't super long in length, but it was definitely like strenuous in the fact that you're like climbing up things and sliding down, but I definitely recommend it. I think it was really fun and probably one of my favorite hikes that I've done. And then after that we stopped and we got this cute little coffee shop on the road, and then we went to like the main street of Sedona and we got some crystals and stuff. So I'll have all the footage of that in the upcoming clip. I just wanted to give like an overview because I probably won't be talking much in these videos. The people are literally going up the side. Wasn't anticipating that. We made it. Yes, queen. We're almost there. Snack time. We got here at a good time. Oh, it's a long line now. We got our picture out here. Would you say it was worth the hike?
Absolutely worth the hike.
It was more of a uphill climb, yes. A rock climb, if you will, but it was worth it.
It's not vacation if you're not climbing.
It's so pretty though. Look how small he looks. Careful. Here is everything that we got. A bunch of crystals. I got one for each of my friends. You got honey straws, Mom. Fun fact, she said these can function as a pre-workout. Yeah, perfect for snacking or pre-workout boost. I'll take this as pre-workout next time. And then this was nice, Mom. This beeswax hand thing, and then a bunch more crystals. We went crazy at the crystal store. Okay, we're getting ready now. We're gonna go to this cute little arts. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's like Telepeak art area. It has a bunch of little stores and stuff, and then we're gonna try to eat dinner there. We want to eat an early dinner so that maybe we can go to Airport Mesa and watch the sunset because it's supposed to be really pretty. Here is my outfit. My top is from Shein. I'm wearing it backwards because it's actually like a little bit too big. I'm gonna stand on this. What do we have? We just hiked Devil's Bridge. What was your experience, Mom?
It was, I don't know, really beautiful.
It wasn't
Waiting
a
in line
bad
was
trail.
a little cold.
Yeah, there was a long line to wait, but it got
Nothing
longer
compared to
when we
what
left.
they are now.
We probably waited, what, 40 minutes
Yeah, half hour, 40
for our
minutes.
pictures, which I'll pop on the screen, but people were nice.
Yeah, really
Really nice, so it was fine. We got here at
About 7.
7. What time do you think we got up? I thought I heard a girl saying it was like 8. Yeah, because it's only 9.
Yeah.
It wasn't long. But now we're taking a snack break before we go back down. It's time for more. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the second crystal place we went to. So first up, my mom got this for me. It's the rose quartz. It's in a cute little heart shape and you can kind of read what it does. And then this is my favorite thing. It's like a body and I like love it. And if you guys have followed me and you see my room, you know that I have a body candle. So I think I'm gonna put this near it. I just love the color scheme. And when I saw kind of what it does, I liked it even more. So it's earth energy, new beginnings, overcomes fear, and replenishes energy. And then I liked this one. It's just the crackle quartz. It's really pretty. Outside of the bag, it kind of has this like sparkling effect. This was the first thing I got when I came in. It's basically just like this little pyramid thing. It can like stand up and it's in fluorite, which I really like. My mom also got something in this. And then the last thing I got is this. I love this. It's like this bowl. So it's like a crystal bowl and I think I'm gonna put some of mine inside. I also have more at home that I can like place inside and it's just super cute, or I could put jewelry inside if I wanted to. And it's just super nice and heart shape, and then it's stone of strength, balances mind and body, grounding, helps one reach their goals. Okay, hi guys, I'm about to start getting ready for dinner. We're going somewhere very nice. We're actually going to a restaurant called Mariposa, and so it has kind of like a dress code. You have to dress a little bit nicer. So I brought one cute outfit outside of all the hiking stuff that we've been wearing, but I just wanted to actually show you guys something that I got. I waited to unbox it so I could show you guys, but I got a package from Luisa. They are an amazing jewelry company. I've been wanting to try them for such a long time, so when they reached out I was very excited. I've been kind of trying to up my jewelry game and just kind of get more, what's the word, like I feel like I need just more basics and more like essential stuff in my closet and in my jewelry. So I've been trying to kind of slowly and collectively get nicer pieces of clothing that are more timeless and nicer pieces of jewelry that are also timeless. So I picked out 3 things that I'm super excited to show you guys, so I'm going to show you guys right now. So first of all, look how cute the packaging is, and it's like reusable, so you could use it for a bunch of different things. And so the first thing I have are these earrings. These are the Frida earrings. They're so gorgeous. They just have this little pearl on the end and then it's a gold hoop, and I think that they're just gonna look so cute. I also got these because I feel like they'll be really pretty for my graduation when I wear my graduation dress. And then I got the kind of matching necklace to go with it. It's so pretty. So this is the Isabel necklace and it just has this beautiful little pearl and then it's a gold chain. It's very cute and dainty, which I really like. So these paired together, I think they're gonna be very cute for tonight's outfit as well as like graduation or any other like nicer event where I want it to be a lot classier. And then I got one more thing. This one is so cute. I wanted something like this that's more of like a statement necklace or pendant necklace for when I'm wearing certain tops where I just feel like it needs a little something there. This is the Lev necklace and it's also in gold. It's so beautiful. It's just this heart pendant. It's really nice quality, and then it has a different kind of chain. It's like a little thicker. I think this will be very cute with like any of my outfits, especially like a turtleneck where you just want to have something there. Everything is like such nice quality for the price point, because I feel like it's hard to invest in jewelry because it can be very expensive, but everything that I got for the quality that was given is 10 out of 10. So I'm very excited to kind of unbox these and wear these, and I'll show you guys how it looks with my outfit later, and I'll go in and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing for dinner as well. But big shout out to Luisa. I'm so excited. I believe they have a discount like code or link or something, so if they do, I'll put it on the screen or I'll put it in the description box below so that you guys can shop as well. Very excited. I'll show you guys quickly what I'm gonna wear for dinner as well. Okay, so here is my dinner outfit. First, I have these flare pants. I've been waiting and waiting for the occasion to wear these, and I just feel like the color scheme and the pattern is perfect for Arizona. So they just look like this. They have this really pretty floral pattern. They're from Shein. And then they're just like a wide leg. And then with it, I got this in one of my vlogs. So if you've seen that one, I'm finally wearing this. It's just like this sweetheart neckline sweater top that I feel like will be super cute to pair with it. And then I'm just gonna wear sandals. And again, I'm gonna wear the pearl earrings and the pearl necklace to go with it. And I think that's like the only thing we really have planned for the rest of the day. So we'll probably just go to dinner and then come back and chill. But if we do anything else, I will definitely vlog it. And the views from the dinner are supposed to be very beautiful, so I'll definitely be vlogging that as well. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. It's definitely less of me talking and more of the views, which I think is kind of what people want to see when you're doing like a travel vlog. But yeah, sometimes I just forget to like update what we're doing. So if at any point I just didn't say what we were doing, I'll pop on the screen like where we are and what we're doing. Today was a great day. We woke up at 6 a.m. and we hiked Devil's Bridge, which was gorgeous. We had to wake up early because there's not a lot of parking. We parked at the Mescal Trail if you're interested in going. And I want to say it was like a 4.2 mile round trip. And it was really, really pretty. It was honestly a really easy hike until close to the end. We had to like climb a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. And then a long part was honestly waiting for the pictures. I think we waited like 40 minutes for our pictures. And on the way out, the line was like double the size that we waited. So definitely try to go on the earlier side if you can, but it's worth it and it's worth the wait if you pack a snack and just like munch on it while you're waiting. But yeah, that was beautiful. And then we went to a little crystal shop, got a bunch more crystals. I really liked this crystal shop. It had like shaped things, which was really fun. And then we're going to dinner. So today was a chill day. Look at mom slaying. Morning. We are at the trailhead for the birthing cave. It's supposed to be 2 miles. Hopefully we get there fast because it's cold. It's really cold here. I was not prepared for it to be this cold in Sedona. Okay, hello vlog. We woke up early this morning and we went to the birthing cave. We think we left here around 7. We got there at 7:15 and then we hiked it and we were back and finished by like 9-ish. Like it wasn't a very long hike and it was pretty easy. It was definitely like smaller than I thought it would be, but it was still really cute and pretty and like very peaceful. And it started to get busy as we were leaving, so I definitely think waking up was a good call. But we just don't have a ton planned for the day. It's our last full day in Sedona. We were just chilling for a little bit. We went back to like the main strip and just went to a few more shops. I got the same thing that my mom got. She got this like hand gel thing from this bee company and I was like, honestly I like that, so I got it too. And then we just went in. They gave us like some of the wrong cards for our crystals, so we went back and we got the right cards because some of them we got for like gifts and stuff, so we wanted to make sure it was like the right meanings. So our loft is right next to this pizza place and it seems to be so popular. It's called Picasso's. Clever name. And so we keep seeing it and we like keep smelling it because it smells so good. So we're like, honestly, we're bored, we're hungry, we might as well try it. So she's showering right now and then we're gonna walk over there and have some Picasso's. I'm very excited. It was between this and this like hot chicken place. I think it was called like Jaybirds, which also look good, but I think we're gonna go with Picasso's and eat there just to kind of kill some time. The last thing on our like plans that we really wanted to do while we were here was to see the sunset at Airport Mesa. We were supposed to do it a different day and it was just too overcast and cloudy, but today there's like no clouds on the sky, so I have a feeling that the sunset's gonna be very, very beautiful. So we're gonna do that later on. And then we have a bunch of things to do for the Airbnb. Like we just have to like take out all the trash, make sure we do our laundry, do the dishwasher and stuff. So we'll probably do that kind of stuff tonight. And I have cookie dough that we have to use up. So that's kind of the game plan for the rest of the day, and I'll just kind of vlog the rest of the day as we're doing it. The one thing we were supposed to do in Sedona that we didn't end up doing, I don't know if I vlogged this, but we were supposed to have a hot air balloon ride, but it's just been so windy and cold here that the morning that we were supposed to have the ride, it was too windy, so we didn't do that. So I think that was kind of why we had extra time here that we didn't plan to have. But luckily our Airbnb is spacious and comfy and I don't mind honestly chilling around. And then tomorrow we are going to be leaving the Airbnb. We might try to hit a breakfast spot and then we're going to be in Scottsdale and Phoenix area until we fly back. So I think I'll still vlog that maybe. And then I definitely am going to do a vlog of like getting back into routine after vacation. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I hope that this all comes together nicely. I haven't really looked at any of the footage. It's going to be a lot to edit, but I'm very excited. OOTD's outfit of the day. So we're twinning. Giving casual because it's cold. This is where we're eating. It's literally like, this is the view from our place and it's right there. It's popping all the time, so we feel like it's our civic duty to try it ourselves. What do you think, Mom?
I'm hoping it's gonna be good.
I hope so too. I mean, at least it's steps away.
Yeah.
We can walk straight home. Say hi. friends, we are officially heading out of Sedona, so we are just cleaning up the Airbnb right now. I'm really gonna miss it. I love it. It's so nice. But yeah, we're just packing everything up and then we're gonna check out, and then I think we might try to get breakfast at the coffee pot, but if it's too busy then we might just do something else and then get lunch. Then we are driving down to Phoenix. We're meeting my aunt Jeanette and her kids for dinner around like 5 o'clock, so we just have to be there in time, and hopefully it's a lot warmer there. I'm very excited to be in the Phoenix weather. And then we're staying in a hotel in Scottsdale. Very nice. I guess the hotel prices in Phoenix and Scottsdale were like the same, so we were like, might as well stay in a nicer area. So that's kind of the game plan for today. So we'll just take you guys along with us. And yeah, I'm very sad to be leaving Sedona, but we had a great amount of days here, like almost maybe too much because we didn't have the balloon ride. So I'm definitely ready to move to the next place and get some warm weather in us. Scottsdale, Arizona. Here is the dinner OOTD. Mom, are you okay with it? She wanted me to wear jeans. I didn't want to wear jeans, but the necklace is the other necklace from Ana Luisa. And then this is actually my mom's shirt. I stole it. And then the airy flare pants. And this top is from Paragon. And where are we going to eat? It's Gallo
Blanco.
It's probably Gallo
Blanco.
in Phoenix. And we are meeting, what is Jeanette, my aunt, cousin? My cousin and her kids for the dinner. But the outfit got elevated with just the necklace alone, so. Hi friends, sadly today is the last day of the trip. We actually have a very long last day ahead of us. We have a red-eye flight back, so I think we're flying at 1 a.m. Arizona time, and then I don't know what time we're getting back, but it's sometime in the morning Eastern time. So we're gonna leave this really warm weather into some very cold weather. So we're kind of just packing right now and getting everything squared away before we check out of the hotel, and then we have a nice long day to find a bunch of activities to do outside of the hotel until the flight. There's so much to do around here that we're not really too worried about it. I think I'm gonna try my first In-N-Out burger today. We're gonna go to Snooze for breakfast, which is a place that is so freaking good. Yummy pancake. And then we have tickets for the botanical garden that I purchased a while back. That will take up a good chunk of time in the afternoon, which will be a fun activity. So we're kind of just killing time till then, and then after that it'll be kind of like doing little things until we go to the airport. And then once we're at the airport, we're just gonna be chilling there. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for caring and supporting my mom and I on this trip. I know that it's not necessarily my normal content over on Instagram, and people were so excited and kind and like hyping us up and everything, and it was just really nice. It's really fun to be able to like document travels and have this for me to look back at, but it's also nice to know that this has helped a lot of you guys who plan to travel to Arizona or do things like that, or just love to see the sites that we were doing. And I definitely will be vlogging future trips and future things that I do. There's tons of exciting content on the way, and I'm just very grateful for you guys. Love you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.